In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do eye glow on CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the glow effect and how to apply it, so it tracks your eyes automatically, whether you're using the web version or the mobile app. First, open CapCut. You can use whichever platform you prefer. The layout looks slightly different, but the names of the tools are the same. Starting in the right place keeps everything simple, so launch CapCut and make sure you're on the editing workspace. Next, choose Create New and pick the 9:16 canvas. This vertical aspect ratio is ideal for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, and it gives your glow effect the most screen presence on phones. Selecting 9:16 at the beginning helps you avoid unnecessary cropping later on. Now add your video. Use a clip where your eyes are clearly visible and reasonably well lit. Good contrast and a forward-facing angle make CapCut's tracking work more accurately. If you have multiple clips, pick the one that showcases the moment you want the glow to appear. Shorter, cleaner clips tend to look sharper with stylized effects. With your clip on the timeline, head to Effects. This is where CapCut stores visual overlays that enhance your footage. Effects are layered on top of your video, so you can quickly transform the look without changing the original clip. Inside Effects, go to Body Effects. This category includes effects that detect and follow people in your video, including the face and eyes. That built-in tracking is what makes the eye glow lock onto your gaze instead of floating around. In the Body Effects section, look for Superpowers and click View All. This opens the full set of stylized, high-impact looks designed to add energy and a bit of cinematic flair. It's the right place for dramatic highlights like glowing eyes. Finally, select the option with an eye glow. The exact names can vary by version, but any effect showing illuminated or laser-like eyes will work. Once selected, CapCut analyzes the face and automatically attaches the glow to your eyes. As the subject moves, the effect follows along, giving you a polished, dynamic result without manual masking. If your clip has clear eyes and steady movement, the tracking will look especially clean. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, start a 9:16 project, add your video, go to Effects, choose Body Effects, open Superpowers with View All, and pick the eye glow you like. Keep your footage well lit and your face visible for best results. Enjoy creating that punchy, glowing look in just a few clicks.